Start Keto Diet for Beginners. How to burn fat effectively? This video is for beginners, those who are lost in thousands of videos on how to lose weight and eat keto effectively, but cannot apply it because they do not understand what to do and where to start. Trust me, you have found the right video. I repeat, this is a video for beginners, and I will guide you how to burn fat effectively and start keto diet for beginners. I used to look like this fat, and in just a short time of application, I have the body like this now. The tips that I am about to share with you below, it is very simple and can be applied immediately. Don't leave, because this is exactly what you need to understand to start eating keto today. If you skip this video, I am sure you will go looking for how to eat keto effectively and then give up. Let me help you regain confidence in your body. Hello Health Facts family. In today's video, we're going to learn about Start Keto Diet for Beginners. How to burn fat effectively? Thanks for staying until now. Okay, are you ready? Let's dive in. 1. What is keto and ketosis? Ketosis, a metabolic state achieved through a ketogenic diet, transforms fat into ketones, an efficient energy source. Instead of relying on glucose, your body utilizes ketones, providing cleaner and more sustainable fuel. This metabolic shift occurs when carbohydrate intake is drastically reduced, prompting fat to become the primary energy source. Unlike sugar, which can cause energy spikes and crashes, ketones deliver steady energy while supporting cognitive function and reducing inflammation. Entering ketosis not only promotes fat burning, but also offers a range of health benefits, including improved metabolic efficiency. By embracing a ketogenic lifestyle, you effectively train your body to utilize its fat reserves, creating a powerful and effective strategy for sustainable weight management and overall health improvement. 2. Starting a keto diet for beginners. The healthy approach. Healthy keto differs from standard ketosis by focusing on overall well-being before weight loss. The foundation of this approach is addressing nutritional needs first, as a healthy body naturally transitions into weight loss. This method emphasizes consuming nutrient-rich, high-quality foods to meet the body's essential requirements. Prioritizing these foods not only supports health, but also optimizes the fat-burning process. Adopting healthy ketosis ensures a balanced diet that fuels the body efficiently while avoiding nutritional deficiencies common in many diets. This version is particularly beneficial for sustaining energy levels and maintaining overall vitality. By focusing on nourishment as the starting point, healthy keto paves the way for long-term success, making it an ideal choice for beginners aiming to burn fat effectively while prioritizing their health. 3. Intermittent fasting, EF, a beginner's guide. Intermittent fasting is not a diet, but an eating schedule that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. Unlike traditional meal plans with 3 meals or multiple snacks daily, it encourages consuming food less frequently. The primary reason for adopting this pattern is its effect on insulin, a hormone that rises each time you eat. Elevated insulin levels can be harmful, contributing to weight gain and metabolic disorders. Intermittent fasting, combined with healthy ketosis, aims to lower excess insulin levels, promoting better metabolic health. It's important to note that the goal isn't to eliminate insulin entirely, but to reduce its surplus. Many people unknowingly have elevated insulin levels because standard health checkups often focus on blood glucose, not insulin levels. By integrating intermittent fasting into your routine, you can effectively manage insulin, support fat burning, and improve overall well-being. This method provides a sustainable, practical approach for those looking to enhance their health. 4. How to implement intermittent fasting. To effectively lower insulin levels, reduce the frequency of meals. Begin with 3 meals daily without snacks, then transition to 2 meals per day. Eventually, some individuals opt for a single meal daily. The key is to eat less often, not necessarily to cut calories. While calorie intake naturally decreases, the primary goal isn't calorie reduction, but meal frequency. Alongside this, it's crucial to ensure your body receives adequate nutrition. By maintaining nutrient-dense meals, you support your body's needs even with fewer eating occasions, making intermittent fasting a sustainable and effective strategy for improving health and promoting fat burning. 5. Key benefits of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting helps your body optimize nutrient usage by conserving its resources. This adaptation reduces the overall need for dietary nutrients. Moreover, growth hormone levels rise significantly, offering enhanced protection for muscle tissues. As a result, protein is preserved, preventing muscle loss during fasting periods. This natural adjustment ensures the body efficiently manages its energy while maintaining muscle health and strength. 6. Reduce carbohydrates and insulin. To effectively lower insulin levels and transition to fat burning, focus on two key strategies: reducing carbohydrate intake and eating less frequently. Cut back on sugar, refined grains, pastas, cereals, and even sweetened beverages like juice or alcohol. By limiting these, your body shifts to using fat as its primary fuel source. Additionally, spacing out meals allows insulin levels to stabilize, further supporting this metabolic change. Excess carbohydrate consumption leads to elevated insulin, which stores the surplus as fat. By adopting these practices, you enable your body to optimize fat utilization, fostering sustainable energy and better health. 7 key indicators of high insulin levels. High insulin levels are often marked by symptoms such as abdominal fat, elevated blood pressure, and high cholesterol. Individuals may also experience persistent fatigue after meals, poor focus, memory lapses, and reduced cognitive performance. Emotional fluctuations, irritability, constant hunger, and intense carbohydrate cravings are additional warning signs. Transitioning the body to fat-burning mode reduces reliance on dietary sugar, effectively curbing hunger and minimizing cravings. This metabolic shift simplifies adherence to the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting, promoting sustainable lifestyle changes. By addressing high insulin, individuals can unlock improved health and long-term weight management. 8. The healthy keto diet simplifies meal planning for beginners. Fill half your plate with vegetables or salad. Reserve 1/4 for protein. Use the remaining 1/4 for healthy fats. While the keto approach prioritizes fats, it's important to note that fat contains more than double the calories per gram compared to carbs or protein. As a result, the physical amount of fat on your plate is smaller than it might appear. This balanced approach ensures you're meeting nutritional needs while effectively transitioning into fat-burning mode. You've made it this far, and that's already a huge step towards transforming your health and lifestyle. Starting a keto diet and embracing intermittent fasting might seem challenging at first, but remember, every small change brings you closer to a healthier, more confident version of yourself. Trust the process, stay consistent, and don't give up. Your results will be worth it. If this guide on Start Keto Diet for Beginners, How to Burn Fat, effectively has inspired you, let's keep the momentum going. Subscribe to Health Facts Family for more practical tips, science-backed advice, and motivational content. Together, we'll make your health goals a reality. Click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's take this journey to a healthier you, one step at a time.